Hi everybody and welcome back to Hex Token Channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let's get into it. Hex.com. Let's go. And of course we're on day 806. Can you believe it? 15th of February 2022. We got a price is up 2.4%. We'll take that at 20.445. Not too bad, not too bad. Now let's get on to the big news, of course, later on. 3,622x return on investment multiplied from all-time low, 5th of January 2020. Very, very cool. Exclude staking, of course. Let's have a look at the Hex payout numbers, which I love. I absolutely love these numbers. 6.034 Hex per TShare, looking good. TShare rate to 4,248, up from yesterday. And of course, we got a little increase there, 1.2 on the share rate, 20,778. Let's have a look at the average stake length there. Average strength looks years in 6.26. Really? Is that true? Is that a real number? That's incredible. Well, that's fantastic. So what's this? This is the big news today, and we'll get on to that a bit later. And of course, that's why the big jump, because we had a big staker today, and we will talk about that. Annual percentage yield rate interest in early in-stake penalties, 37.73%. And of course, amazing. Let us jump over to that. Obviously, that is down a little bit, but that's reflecting probably the staker. Liquidity in the pool, 170, almost 171 million Hex, down slightly from yesterday, and the pooled USDC, almost 46 million US dollars and 1,500 ETH. Let's have a look over at the total value locked, 12.66 billion, 117.89 billion in the market cap. That includes the origin accounts. $45 billion market cap for T-shares, and T-shares up 5,300, and we're at just under 10.6 million there on the total T-share amounts. If you got a T-share, pretty lucky. 638.5 billion total supply. Minted a bit more modest today, 11.3 million. Circulating supply, 576.6 billion. And of course, that is down a massive 1 billion. So folks, almost giving it away here, the old little secret there. The total staked up 61.9 billion, a massive jump, 1 billion, and that's because we had a billion staker. Someone staked a billion. Amazing, and a huge amount of money. I think that's like $250 million, something like that. And huge. GA down slightly, and the average, the stake percentage of coins has jumped massively with that billion X staked. 9.53 has gone to 9.69. Huge news. Hex payout 63.9 million. Penalties 542,000. Slightly better day today on penalties. Let's have a look at the user numbers. We've got total holders up 351 to 421,419. We got current stakers at 146 to 79,337. We're really watching this number, and it's going up nicely towards 80,000. Total stakers 171 up to 100,818, and current holders 213. That's a big day, actually, quite a good day, up to 281,933. Those are the results for day 806, and this is the highlight, of course, the staking of $1 billion. That's amazing. Let's jump over to the price of Hex. Hex has kind of rallied a little bit. Was down here a few hours ago at 90.3 cents, so it's up over the last few hours. So, what's that up? Was as high as up almost 4.6%, and is still up 4.15 after 9 hours. So looking pretty good at the top of the Bollinger Bands on the hourly. So a quick look at the daily there. If you want a full Hex price review, check out the Pulsex live show in a couple of hours' time. Here we are sitting at the middle of the Bollinger Bands, just slightly above. That's a good day in the office with the green candle there. Looking very, very good. But once again, catch me on the Pulsex Live for full price breakdown. All right, let's jump over to the T-share, 4,179 at the current price. We've got 46.4% of the liquidity in the USD version 3 pool. And of course, our T-share price is just consolidating over here, over to the right. Adoption is up to the right, and it's going to get supercharged when Pulse Chain comes. And of course, our T-share rate is just up and to the right. That's not coming down, folks. And of course, the Hex payout over 6 every day is just a wonderful, wonderful thing. Here's a look at our 15-year stakes coming up here. And of course, we're going to zoom in on the first 11 months. So let's go do that. And of course, you can see that here by the time we get to the 3rd of March, we've got 221,000 T-shares coming up. And we've got 10.6 million over 15 years. So 221,000 are coming out in this short space of time. This is kind of the front of the wave we always talk about. A lot of the short stakers are in here, and this is slowly breaking up over time, and we expect that to completely break up probably as we move forward into the next 12 months. Obviously, we've got a big, nice gap before Pulse Chain to launch, hopefully March or April. And of course, our next big candle is the 9th of May, 2022, and that's been there for a while. So cool. Let's jump over to Pulse Chain and check that out. Obviously, the biggest yield farming in history, biggest airdrop in history, super fast, super cheap, and the fastest way to mass adoption. It's going to turn a crypto upside down. It's going to be great. Pulse Chain, 43 minutes. We had an update on the Go Pulse. Nothing else has been updated on there. All right, let's jump over to the blockchain itself. 3.5 second blocks, 313, almost 314 million transactions there. Amazing. So let's do a refresh on that. Actually, we might have a few more. Yes, 313.9 million transactions on there. Really testing out the validators and the blockchain. Looking good. Let's jump over to Pulsex, and of course, we've got a balance now, 971,832,000 on the Ethereum network. We've just tipped over another day, so it's 23 hours and 28 minutes to go until we get another 5% rise. And of course, 10,000 points is now $6.39. Crazy, right? It's a long way in the journey. I think we're on day 50 too. Day 50. We just finished day 49, so day 50 now of 59. So we're definitely counting it down here. And that means 59, 54. So we've got about 4 or 5 days until, or basically 5 days until the end of the volume multiplier as well. So we're getting up there, folks. This is the way it goes. If you want to sacrifice, of course, pulsex.info. Check that out. I obviously suggest buying Hex at this stage. You get the copy of Hex, but it's up to you what you want to do. Just follow these instructions. You'll be perfectly fine. Let's go to Pulsex Leads and see what we've got. 1,024,487,000 sacrificed on the ETH chain, BSC, and the Polygon Matic. And of course, we've got 17,193,000,000,000 Pulsex points here, and the public sacrifice excludes the Origin account. We're expecting that sacrifice in the last couple of days. When we get to the 1.7x multiplier, we've got 133,627 wallets. We've still got 7 wallets over 10 million. Let's go see our Hex sacrifice. 556 million US dollars. Amazing. And of course, that's 2,178,000,000 Hex that's been sacrificed off the ETH chain. No doubt that will be off the Pulse chain as well. And it's around about maybe 7.5%, somewhere in that ballpark. Pretty awesome stuff. Let's check the daily stats, see if we've got those in. Sometimes we do get them in. Yes, day 49 is in, so 566,000 US dollars was sacrificed day 49, and here we are on day 50. Already got $4,352 sacrificed. A long way to go. The balance for ending day 49 was 1,024,487,000, and so we're just slowly climbing up there. Very, very cool. This doesn't include, of course, the Origin accounts. The other accounts like Bitcoin and stuff like that. So we're probably well in excess of 1,050,000,000 there, give or take a couple of million. So very, very cool. All right, let's finally check out the big news. Of course, a whale staked for 5 days, 15.2 years, a massive 194 million US dollars worth. That is a billion Hex, folks, and they picked up almost close to 150,000 TShares. Amazing, amazing, amazing. We can hit the transaction. There is the billion Hex there. You can see that. So congratulations to them. Very exciting indeed. Very bullish sign too. I like it. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Feel free to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and catch me at the Pulsex live show in a few hours time. Look forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Bye.